Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to withdraw money from Shopify in 2025. So once your store starts getting orders, your earnings go into Shopify payments account. So I will walk you through how you can view your balance, set up your payouts, and transfer the money directly to your bank account. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on shopify.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. This is going to be your Shopify dashboard. So here on this page, simply click on the settings icon here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Once you are here in the general tab, you just have to simply hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of payments. Over here in the payments, simply just go to the Shopify payments option. Now over here you will see all of the payout details, including the total balance that you have, the next payout date, and the bank account that is connected to your store. Now Shopify automatically sends the payouts to your bank account, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days depending on your country. So you can view all of your payouts under the payout tab that you see over here. So you are going to see which orders are being processed. Now if you haven't added a bank account yet, you can just simply click on the option of manage right next to your offer, and there you will be able to see the option of adding a bank account. So once you see the option of adding a bank account, you just have to provide your banking details. That includes providing your account number, the IFSC code, and other required details carefully. So this is where Shopify earnings will be deposited. If you are using PayPal, Stripe, or Payoneer instead of Shopify payments, you can just simply come here on the payments page and you can connect your PayPal account with it by clicking on the active or activate PayPal option right next to it. So the provider is gonna take 1 to 5 business days in order to basically set up here in your Shopify account. So you need to be patient. Now you need to go back to the payouts section, and anytime you can download any of the reports, and you can just know how much money you are going to get in your bank account. Basically the PayPal and the fees information you will be shown there. So this way you will be able to withdraw money from Shopify in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.